Friends, my name is Shubham Singh. Again, welcome you in the Mark My channel. So this video I just only make that if you really want to get start a new business. So it's a very there are the n number of the options that you are start a new business, n number of the things. So well, I just take the one example of a junior club library. Actually, this is my project in the map in the MBA. So I'm just with the help of this project, I will just try to tell you that such kind of concepts of businesses also be very useful if you are just take these things. Okay, so in this junior club they are just provided the different type of books, toys and all these things to the childrens actually, and their toys and books are also be sell out in, means they are just export in all over the world globally also. So this is the, you can say this is the business models, and I think that it's a one of the booming business model in the futures if you are just think about it. So well, I just make a one I just have a one PPT. So I'm just share you, and I just try to get explain you each and everything that what kind of business model they have. So this is the introductory page where we are just make borrow exports, and this is the things. So you'll just find out that what kind of things they are just sell out, or they are also be giving the rent, meant they are just give their toys and books each and everything in on rent also. So you are just get think toys is also be there, okay, books and free flow thoughts, improve powerful objections. This is the things that how they're just try to attract their customers, and what the thing that they are just provide. Okay, so this is the thing that they are just work, they are just means they are just give books and toys in on the rent, and they are also be try to get sell it. Also different type of books they are have different type of age group peoples, means the different age peoples are have the different means they are have the variations in their products, means 5 to 8 year children are have a different books and the toys, 8 to 12, 12 to 13, means they are just divided their business model in the different groups. These are the products that they are provided out, like books, CDs, charts, flash. This is not the thing that I just advertised that kind of the things, but I just try to get understood you that this is the one of the biggest and booming business model. I think that if you are just applied in your business such kind of the model, so I think that it will be a very profitable. And I think that I don't think so that there is a more investment is to be required to start such kind of the things. And the mostly important thing is that it's okay that if you are not able to get sell your products, it's only on the rental basis. And I think that it such kind of the business is more popular in on the cosmopolitan cultures, like all metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, in everywhere this is one of the booming business, because every parents are want that kind of the toys and that kind of the books. So you are not only provide the books and toys to the childrens, you are also provide ambience or all these things. So this is the good you can say a business model. This is the plan. So this is the PPT I just want to get share you. This is the one of the business model. I think that it will be a very useful if any persons who are have open such kind of the business. You are also be transform your business into the your digitalizations where your product will be get sell out. So this is the things. Okay, so thank you for watching this channels, and try to get shares. Thanks guys.